If you're wondering what first-class service is like on Aeromexico, come join me on a flight with Clase Premier on a Boeing 737-8 MAX aircraft. My flight was between Mexico City and New York City's JFK Airport. It was a morning flight from Terminal 2. Regardless of the class of service, show up early, and you can always take a COVID-19 test right on site. Clase Premier passengers are among the first to board the plane. The 737 cabin has 4 rows of first-class seats, with decent legroom and large seatback screens. I also like the storage areas. This unit also houses the entertainment control console as well as headphones. There are also multiple charging outlets. I got comfortable with the footrest and prepared for takeoff. The tray table is stored in the other armrest. I especially like the handy flip-up piece that can serve as a rest while viewing your cell phone or other device. Aeromexico served us a full hot breakfast. I chose the omelet. Warm bread came from a separate basket, and I especially liked the cute little salt and pepper shakers. Thanks for joining me on this trip. Please like, share, and subscribe, and find more travel tips on my travel blog, latinflyer.com.